Okay, if you've completed the quiz in the previous section and there were a few items that you had questions on, make sure that you take the time to go back and review any of those sections and their corresponding lectures. With that, we are at the end of our course, and I want to take just a moment to summarize the things that we've covered. So at this point, you should have learned how concrete performs in compression versus tension. Remember, strong in compression, weak in tension. You should understand the difference between passive reinforcing, or rebar, and active reinforcing, like prestressing steel. We covered the different ways that concrete cracks, the different reasons that concrete cracks, and then how we use different types of reinforcing to manage these effects. And we've discussed the effects of locating rebar properly in a concrete member. We've discussed prestressed concrete, and we talked about the advantages of prestressed concrete and the differences between pre-tensioned and post-tension concrete. Again, typically that's cast in place versus precast. And we talked about the basic properties of common materials used to reinforce and prestressed concrete. So the strengths and properties of rebar and prestressing steel, or PC strand. That wraps up our online course. I want to thank you for your participation and remind you about some of the resources that are available to you. Again, of course, as you've gone along, you've had access to downloadable reference material, so hopefully you've done that and saved that to your computer or printed it out so you can refer back to it later as needed. Don't forget about the discussion board that goes along with this course and the fact that you can post questions there. Other participants can answer those questions, and then I monitor those as well to make sure that I'm responding and answering those questions in a timely manner. If you didn't do it at the beginning of the course, make sure you take advantage of that external link that downloads the American Concrete Institute's terminology guide. That's a really complete reference, good thing for you to have as a construction professional. Our hope as we produce these courses is that we're giving the construction management professional a tool and a resource available to them so that they can upgrade their knowledge, upgrade their skills, get continuing education as they advance in their career and as the industry advances. So with that in mind, don't forget we have other courses available. The courses that follow this one specifically would be additional courses, additional 2-hour courses in concrete itself and some of the science behind the mixed designs of concrete. We have one specifically on post-tension construction, precast construction, and then another one that's got more in-depth material related to concrete reinforcing or passive reinforcing. So again, I hope that this has been of use to you. I hope you continue on and look at some of our other courses as you continue to upgrade your knowledge in your quest to be a construction management professional. Thank you.